What's up, YouTube? We back with another one this Saturday morning, and so I got a phone call earlier about going to pick up a traco that's been buried. That the guys has been out on the field all morning long trying to get out and get unstuck. I will post the pictures up so you can see what it looked like. I was not there for the recovery, obviously. I'm at home, but I got a call to come get the machine. So that's what we're going to do. One of our other trucks was out there with a little boy. His airbag blew out, so they called me and asked me to come pick it up, the machine, so he can bobtail back to the shop. And yeah, so that's what we're going to do. But we got a little something special today. We got a little passengers going to ride along with us. And we got the old wifey over here. Say hello, wifey. Come on now, there she is. She's a little shy, but it's all good. But we got her riding along with us, and we're gonna take this ride and go get this machine, and we're gonna get some footage and get another video out to y'all. So in the meanwhile, enjoy it.
Can we listen to music? Is that illegal?
Is it illegal to what?
Listen to music?
No, it's not illegal to listen to music.
What's your seatbelt on?
My seatbelt on. She's big about seatbelts too. Real big about seatbelts. Oh, let me turn the camera a little bit.
Thank you.
Nah, I'm gonna get it back to you. So, since I gotta put my seatbelt on, let me explain something. Mr. No Days Off here is complaining because his seatbelt, he don't wear a seatbelt because it chokes him in his neck and all, right? And I get that. It sucks. Like, it's high. There's no adjustment up here like in a car, so it really sucks. But what you can do is pull this down a little bit, create a little bit of slack, and this yellow tab up here, you can flip it up like so, and yeah, now you got slack. So just a little tip. I'm not gonna talk trash to you.
I'm still waiting on my music though.
What kind of music you want? Oh my God, we ain't got a driveway yet. Good lordy. What do you want to listen to?
I'm surprised. What do you normally listen to, Rob?
Well, I'm all over the place this morning. Jesus Christ. I got me flustered. See what happens when life robs me?
Right.
Got me flustered. Got me flustered over here. That's all. But that camera gonna be, that footage gonna be shaky as hell.
Probably the hell so. Probably the hell so.
You could have a beer with Jesus, would you?
Huh?
If you could have a beer with Jesus, would you?
It's a setup.
It's not a setup, it's the truth.
Would I have a beer with Jesus?
Yeah.
Is it Jesus? How do I know it's Jesus?
Did you hear the song?
I don't know.
Listen. Would you have one? If he wanted to have a beer and hand you a beer, would you not have a beer with Jesus?
No. Bring me a pizza. Or cherry coke.
Yeah, pizza and cherry coke?
Yeah.
Boy, boy. You put them on your tap? No. You cash apping me? Oh man.
Wait, I can cash out.
Boy, oh boy.
It's just. He said, "Say the sorry song like me." This might be my song.
It's gonna be your song for sure. Oh boy. Alright, so we sitting here waiting on them to show up so you can take the day cab, hook back up to the little boy, detach so I can spin around and hook up to it, and then we're gonna walk the tractor out and load it up. So currently we're just sitting here waiting, talking about eating pizza with Jesus, and me having to cash out the money for it. Don't turn out the cheap.
Come on for your little trap. No.
Darn.
Sounds impressive. What's next?
You DJing.
Listen to My Carolina, that's a good one.
My Carolina?
Yeah.
Oh, now you're gonna make me search for something.
Now you're about to sing for me. I love it when you sing that song to me, Daddy.
Oh yeah? Oh, you calling me daddy now.
No, not on camera.
Oh, it's on camera. And then he stopped.
No.
Y'all hear that, right?
No. I have daddy issues.
Daddy issues. My lord. I don't know where it's at. Oh, we got some salt and pepper.
Yeah.
Oh. Walk in there and find out? You wanna walk in there and find out? No? Why not?
You know what time it is?
What time is it?
You know what time it is?
What time is
You
it?
about to sing to me.
Who?
You, Papa.
Who?
Papa, you about to sing to me. Yeah, you is. Yeah, you is.
This is a trucking video, not a singing video.
10 years ago, I had to fly.
Sing it.
No, you have to sing that.
Been living
You sound good. You got a little raspy voice, all mixing. Do it.
I miss my buddies, miss my home.
Go ahead, Papa. Do it.
I ain't seen my mom in way too long.
What are you doing?
This is your best part. Come on now.
Give me a skinny cane pole and a hot rim.
Oh yeah, you missing it.
Oh.
Come on, so Kakalaki.
In a big way now.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Fresh corn peanuts,
Shrimp and grits. That's what I'm talking about.
Some chicken in the barrel and a hog in the pig now.
Need some
Hot red clay sauce in here.
some black water
Heels, top G. I don't know. Sorry.
I'm doing pretty good now, but I ain't lying. I'm just trying to get back to
My Carolina. You should be singing this on your way back home.
give me some bagels, barking
Down the hole. Running
running.
cocktails through my soul.
I need a lot of trees.
Always being field. Yeah. Oh.
I wish I could take
Alright,
it
I'm done. Stop. Alright, y'all. This is the trailer. My old good old Fontaine I got to hook up to. But as you see, he is hooked up to the day cab. And the day cab's got a blown airbag. Y'all remember old short stack? Old short stack doing that deal. Well, short stack limping right now because he got a blown airbag. Which is why I'm here to grab the Traco that's back here in this pit that got buried that y'all seen pictures of. So that's what we doing. Alright, y'all. So there's down in that hole down there. There's the Traco. All messed up. They cleaning up, putting stuff back up. And there's the Traco. Man, that thing's a mess. Holy cow. It was down there in the bottom of the pit. Sunk. And there's the records up there up top. The hole it was sitting in. Get it, CJ?
Yeah.
Was it tough?
Yep. I'll break out, buy some new pair of boots now.
Oh, bro, I gotta buy new boots?
Yeah. Yeah.
What about jeans? The jeans look pretty messed up too.
Yeah. And an airbag too, you know. We had to call the hero out here. And the big boy tried to come pick the machine up, you know.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, remember that same airbag I said last week was coming apart?
Yeah.
Yeah, the first bump on 95?
Yeah.
Yeah, it blew out in the fenders, burnt the tires up. I could go at 38 mile an hour, but the drive line was raising hell. Upright towing.
The struggles of being a trucker.
The struggles of working here. I'm going back to upright hauling, fucking recovery shit.
You going back to upright heavy haul?
Yeah.
Forget the recovery.
Yeah, here, you can have this be shit now. No. Hey, who are you, the outrigger police? Hey, you hear the pump whining on that thing?
Alright. Shout out to Deepwater for letting them use their Traco. Bailey Nichols. It's your Traco. It's your shout out video. I got him loaded up. About to chain it down. He's about to hook up to the neck. And then detach from the trailer, and then I'm gonna come around and I'm gonna hook up to it and I'm gonna pull it because again he's got a bad airbag. So we're about to get chaining down right now. Not doing that.
I don't know, babe. You're looking kind of hot.
Huh?
You're looking kind of hot. That truck ain't got nothing on you.
we don't need this shit. got them on the trailer. We got them on the truck. We're doing about 90,000 on the suspension. We got the tension on the suspension. And we head to the hill. We're gonna go to the yard, drop this thing, shake it off, and call it a day. Go back to the house and finish our weekend out. So I want to give a special thanks to my camera girl today. She played a big role in this. White. She hiding behind the camera right now. She won't turn it up. There she goes. Hey! Hey! Get her around me a little more often. But anyways, appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all watching. Like, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, check the videos out. Drop some comments. Good or bad, I appreciate it. And until next time, we're going to keep on trucking. Later.